right, today we're going to bring a fan, a ceiling fan with LED light, changeable lights, all right? Now the fan is a little large, if you guys can, but it's not that heavy. It's made of, there's aluminum steel here that you can see that part. So this is very sturdy. The fan itself, it's a plastic propeller fan, all right? Now, they do give you a couple options. You got a remote here. The remote's great. It comes with double-sided tape, or you can actually mount it to the wall too. Instructions are included. Instructions are very important because not only can you remote control with this, but you can actually use your phone to remote into it. Now, a couple options you should be aware. You have your power on, your wind, your reverse, your light mode. If you have kids and night light, you could use it as a night light. Levels to a fan 1 through 6. Your changeable different light settings, your different motions of the fan, and then you could dim them down and change the color, of course. And then other options too, you could put a timer all the way from 1 hour to 4 hours. All right, so we're gonna set this up today, and it's very simple. All you got to do is unscrew all these here. Once you set this up, the base pretty much logs into it, the top, and then you just propel this thing on the top and you tighten it up all the ends. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit how to put it on. Got to connect these two, the hot and neutral, and then let you guys know that the base does have the ground. All right, that's another one that you have to worry. All right, right now we have the fan on level 1. Controller number 6. We're gonna go level 6 if you guys can see it. Let's change the lights. All right, so we're gonna change the light mode. All right, LED lights only, and then we could turn off the LED lights, turn off the complete lights itself, turn on just the LED light. Look at that. Change the LED light. Look at that. Beautiful. Just keep the LED light, little short light. I already have the app on. All right, we're gonna open it up and we're gonna discover. All right, we're gonna say plus here, plus add device. All right, after turning off the power on and on for like 5 times, this is what came up. It started discovering, just to be aware. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the actual system itself. We're gonna change the lighting on the top. All right, I'm gonna move it to the top, change it to like the red color right here. There you go, red. And then I could even dim down the bottom one to, I can make it dimmer if you want. Or you could actually turn it off too from here for the remote control. All right, look at that, and make it brighter, yellowish, or daylight. And then I'm gonna change the colors here, and I could change it solid colors from the top. If you want the top to be solid colors, you can do that. They have patterns. You could turn off the whole thing here, from here, turn it back on, and then they have the lighting effects that you could change. You could create your own. So we're gonna do fireworks, for example. The top is fireworks, rainbow, glacier, and then we could add music, which I'm going to add myself talking. And when you're talking, you could change the effects on the actual system itself. You could go to your fan. You could control your fan from here. So we are going to set up level 1. From here, we're controlling it, if you guys can see that. And then we could do like nature. It changes the patterns. And then, of course, you could turn it off from here directly. And you got plenty of options to put more timers and other things on the actual phone. So very simple, out of the box, everything set up. The only problem that I had was installing it through the Wi-Fi. You have to turn off the power completely 5 times in order to get it to that sync mode, all right? Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video.